talk about the blind date from you know where. I mean, we had nothing in common. He likes steaks. I'm a vegetarian. He likes westerns. I like love stories. Why'd our friend put us together? Hey, I said, at least I get home in time to watch Wink News at 11. Hey, I watch Wink News at 11, he says, with Lois Tomey. Yeah, and Jim McLaughlin, I said, they're like family. And Warren Flax, he says, a sports nut like me. And Jim Reef, I say, who knows more about the weather? So I ask, want to come up for some coffee? He says, got any tea?
Make a date every night with Wink News at 11.
Dear News Channel 2.
Dear News Channel 2.
Dear News Channel 2, as a mother, as an Orlando resident and business executive,
I admire the direction that News Channel 2 has taken.
Thank you for the shift in your news selection.
News Channel 2 presents fair, impartial, balanced news.
which is not focused around crime in our community.
Thanks again for your more intelligent approach to news.
You've won me back.
News coverage worth writing about on News Channel 2, where the news comes first.
Bye-bye.
When people in New Orleans need to know, they need to know Terry Wood on 6 News.
Who would know where to run this?
Terry Wood.
Because Terry Wood really knows what's important to New Orleans.
Would anyone know what that means to the city?
Terry Wood.
And that's what makes Terry Wood so good.
Who would know how to check that?
Terry Wood.
So when you want to know,
Terry Wood.
check with Terry Wood.
Who would like to check?
Terry Wood.
Terry Wood, weeknights on 6 News.
Oklahomans are talking about News 9.
Sure, we love News 9. It's my favorite news channel.
They make you feel comfortable watching them.
We just like the anchors better, so we just kind of watch it.
It's the content.
Very thorough, very balanced. And they always seem to have the stories that I want to hear about.
They cover the stories well.
You feel comfortable watching them. You feel like they're your neighbors. They seem to interact well.
And not just the people I trust and the people that we watch.
For news coverage that's making a difference, turn to News 9.
Okay, Ethel, hit the lights. Good. Oh, now, here we are in downtown Wilmington, and here's Ethel and the kids at Rodney Square.
Hey, Dad, look, it's that news van.
What? I don't see anything. Oh, there's Ethel leading one of those Hodgies.
Dad, look.
What? Oh, now, here we went to the shore for a day, and here's Ethel and the kids on the boardwalk.
Look, in her glasses, it's that news
Billy,
van.
will you cut that out? Oh, here I got a great shot of Ethel and the kids tubing on the brandy wine. Gosh, what a great day that was.
There's that news van again.